how to use Gemini AI with Google Workspace. Hello, everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're diving into the world of productivity with a detailed guide on how to use Gemini AI with Google Workspace. That's Google Drive, Docs, Gmail, and more. Gemini AI is Google's new AI assistant designed to supercharge how you work, whether you're drafting emails, summarizing documents, or organizing your projects. Gemini AI is here to help. So let's get started. First off, we need to understand what Gemini is. So, it's Google's advanced generative AI integrated directly into your favorite Google Workspace apps. Think of it as an AI powered co pilot or assistant that helps you with tasks like creating content, analyzing data, drafting emails, and even brainstorming ideas. The best part, it's built right into the apps you're already using, so there's no need to download anything extra. Now, let's get started with the Gemini AI. First off, you have to open up Gemini AI, and once you open up Gemini, you're going to click on the Settings tab on the bottom left. Once you click on your Settings tab on the bottom left, click on Extensions. And once you click on extensions, you will have this extension, which is the Google Workspace extension. Make sure to enable this and then click on Connect. Now you can see you can find, summarize, and get quick info from your content in all of your Google Workspace applications. You can also enable it for Google Flights, hotels, Google Maps, YouTube, YouTube Music, and more. Now I'm just going to enable this and we're going to go back into Gemini. Now, once we have headed back into Gemini, we have quite a few different ways that we can use it. We can use it to draft content. For example, if I go ahead and type in I can type in at Google Docs and ask it to write a doc about pollution. Now, what it's going to do is that it's going to find my document if I have one already. I can't do that for you, but here's a doc about pollution, and now I can import that into Google Docs. However, an alternative way of using this is directly by going into your Google Space, click on your top right apps icon, open up Google Docs as you normally would, and then open up your blank document. Now, once you open up your blank document, you will see you have a Add tab where you can add different things, build case studies, and link all of your applications. Now, not only that, but when you are typing, you will have writing assistance available to you. So you can write meeting notes from your calendar and import them over here. You will even see multiple different tools like you regularly would on any writing tool. Now, the best part about this is that when you are using a ecosystem from Google, you have multiple things linked together. So you can access your calendar from the right tab, your notes, your to-do tasks, and more. This allows you to seamlessly use Google Docs, use the Gemini AI in a really easy way. You can also ask it to suggest edits. So I will ask it to suggest edits in this. And then it's going to suggest edits in the particular document that it has just created for me or generated for me. You can also manage files with Google Drive in Gemini AI. So you can have a Search Smarter tool, which can help you in managing and organizing files like Pro. I am going to pause this one and we're actually going to proceed with our next action. Now we're going to click on at. And once I click on at, I can go into Google Drive and I want it to search for a folder called iPhone. Now it's going to search in my Google Drive, so it can't find that particular folder, but I'm going to ask it to find a folder titled something like pics or pictures. And I'm going to wait for it to find the documents in my space. Obviously, you can type in your query in a really simple language. So show me all of the reports from the last month. You guys can see it has found related content that I have. And this is really nice. Now I can actually go on ahead and I'm going to go with a different prompt this time. We're going to go into Google Drive and we're going to ask it to show me all the files and reports from last month like this. And now it is going to find all the reports from last month. You can also open any file that you see in your Gemini icon. And once you do that, you can ask it to generate a summary for you. So if I ask it to do this, I can ask it to write a summary about the how to create AI headshots document. And it will read the document for you and provide you with a summary of that document. You can also generate tags and folders with multiple files selected. You can ask the AI tool to organize them efficiently, which is great for managing your projects. And you guys can see this is now created, the instructions, it has links and more. Now, I can also be organizing my files, so I can ask it to take all the files related to this particular niche and then categorize them together. Now, productivity can also be boosted in Gmail with the Gemini AI tool. You can ask it to compose emails for you. You can look for the Gemini AI button and tell it what you need. So write a follow-up email to a client, and Gemini will draft emails with a professional tone ready for you to send. You can also ask it to summarize threads, and Gemini will be able to condense it into a summary. And you can also set the tone for your emails. If I go into my mailbox like so, and I might have a really long chain of messages that I have sent, so on and so forth. Let's say I have this one email here, and you guys can see it's a pretty lengthy email. Now, for this, what I can do is I can take the email title, go back into Gemini, go into at, and then go into Gmail, and I'm going to find the mail thread titled Permission to Use Your Skill and provide me with a summary. And now it's going to find this particular thread and find all the communication that I've had in this thread and give me a summary. It has found 4 emails and it is going to give me a complete summary of this. Now, you can also use it in Google Sheets to analyze your data, generate charts, and even draft formulas. You can also use it to summarize meetings and create action items automatically with your Gemini AI tool. You can also get suggestions for your slide content, layout, and design. And that is how you can use Gemini AI with Google Workspace to save time, stay organized, and boost your productivity. Whether you're a student, professional, or a business owner, Gemini AI adapts to your workflow and makes it easier. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel and comment down below the best tips and tricks that I have taught you within this video. And make sure to also share this video with your friends and family and to other creators as well so you can help them out as well, and to anyone that might need to know this basic detailed platform and how you navigate through these different social websites. So I hope this was helpful enough for you, and make sure that you do leave a comment down below if I missed out on anything and if there is anything you would like to add, and I will catch you guys in the next video.